Question 2. The change in total utility after each additional unit of consumption is called A, satisfaction, B, value, C, marginal utility, or D, the benefit. And the correct answer is C, marginal utility. That is correct. I'll add a bit of an explanation. You may have heard in your economics classes that economists think at the margins, and essentially what that means is that we always think of what would happen if we added one more or took away one less of whatever it is we're talking about. So marginal utility, say this is our curve. If we're talking about this point, then the marginal utility will be the utility gained from moving from this point to 0.1 unit over. Oh, let me try that again. So whatever utility we gain, from moving this 1 unit over, the marginal utility is going to be the utility we gain from this one additional unit. It's probably the quantity or whatever. You'll also hear about diminishing marginal returns and what that looks like. Sorry, this is still number 2. And what diminishing marginal returns looks like is as we have more of something, the additional utility we get from each additional unit becomes less. So for example, if you have $0 and I were to give you $100, that would lead to a big increase in utility because it's going to make a very big difference for you. But if you're Jeff Bezos and you have all the money in the world and I give you another $100, that is a drop in the ocean and it doesn't bring you really any extra marginal utility. I think technically I should say it brings you the smallest little amount of extra marginal utility. But so I say it's correct. And with that, we can move on to